So today we're at the RWBE and we're going to try some yummy vegan options, and this is based on Wootton, Bassett High Street. So we're just having a look at the menu and they've got some really lovely options. So they've got some really great sort of smoothies if you're wanting energy boosting, or if you want something just to kind of give you a bit more vitamin C, a little bit more health and wellness, which we all need in this lovely country when it gets cold as it is now during the winter. And then they've also got some really great options as well, really sort of fresh ingredients, so everything's homemade, which is really nice. So you're going to come out of here and feel like you've had some really good cooked meals, which I need because I've been working all week. So I've got a nice green tea to start me on, and yeah, get me well because everyone around me has got colds and flus, so it should hopefully do the treat.
So this is our miniature version of the Buddha bowl that we do. So that is falafel and shawarma tofu, couscous, pea salad, homemade falafels, and a homemade chimichurri and tea. And then this is a selection of the different sandwiches that we do. So that is the ultimate TLT, which is tempeh, tomato, lettuce, and then that's obviously crush. And then this is a chickpea on the sea, which is like a take of a tuna chickpea. And two of them are on sourdough, one of them is on a bagel, just so you get the different types of bread.
Thank you
so much.
Any thoughts?
No, really good. I'm not a massive fan of just vegetables, but I eat all of that.
You ate them? Look at you.
I said, I'm obviously not doing So we're obviously not doing
You know what it is though? It just takes time, doesn't it, at home to make all the little bits and pieces and the, you know, and the pickling and the this and the that.
It's all really complements each other really well. Nothing was like overpowering, but all sort of work together. So it's really nice.
Oh, that's great.
So what made you decide to open up this little restaurant? What was the inspiration behind it?
Well, we moved back to Bassett about a year ago.
Yeah.
When we moved back, we noticed that people weren't eating so healthy, and maybe people were having a lot of processed food and a lot of food with sugar and salt and fat. And for me, the high street is amazing. We've got a great high street with lots of great restaurants where you can get lots of good food, but the one thing that was missing was having a salad or a healthier salad option.
Yeah.
A food which was less processed, less sugar. So that's why I wanted to offer something that was a little bit more healthy.
Okay, well, I think you succeeded. The food was absolutely delicious, and I definitely feel a lot healthier for it.
Thank you.
Would you be looking to expand? Is it something, or are you just happy sort of being here?
No, we are going to expand, absolutely. We're going to actually be opening another branch maybe in about 8 months' time.
Fantastic.
So, yeah, not on like this high street, obviously,
Yeah.
but hopefully in a closer town, somewhere like Cirencester.
Okay, Cirencester. Yeah, I think that would work really well there.
Yeah, I think it'll be a good demographic for that. And,
Yeah.
So we're quite excited about that. We have a girl who comes in who's called Courtney. She does our chefing. She's on holiday this week.
Okay.
So she will be joining us full time, and then she will be managing this branch, and then I will go
And you'll go and start that
the
one.
next one. Yeah, exactly. So
No, it's really, really good. Yeah, I definitely recommend this place. Absolutely fantastic. Food is really fresh, really lovely, and the flavours are really great. And yeah, you feel good when you leave. So